Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you how to fix the common uploading server rejected error in Gmail. This issue usually happens when your Google account storage is full, preventing new uploads. Let's fix that quickly. First, open your Google account and click on the grid icon at the top right. It looks like 9 small squares. From the menu, select Drive to open your Google Drive. Once inside Google Drive, sort your files by size to find the largest ones. Look for big videos, high resolution photos, or old files you no longer need. Select these files by clicking on them, then click the trash bin icon to move them to the trash. Keep in mind, files in the trash still take up space until you permanently delete them. So, on the left sidebar, click the trash, then select empty trash to free up storage for good. If you want to keep some large files but still clear space, download them to your computer before deleting them from Drive. After freeing up the space, the error should no longer block your uploads in Gmail. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more practical tutorials.